Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to determine the value of a group of nickels. How will we do this? We will look at a group of nickels to determine how much they are worth all together. Why is this important? It is important to be able to determine how much a nickel is worth. Our vocabulary word cent. Say the word cent. It is equal to 1/100th of a dollar, which is an amount of money that is less than a dollar. Nickel. Say the word nickel. So we have been working with the nickel. Yesterday, I found an old nickel. Not a new nickel. I found the old one with his face turned to the side. Okay. And it still had his house on the back, Monticello. And we added him to our anchor chart with our penny. We have our penny and our nickel on our anchor chart. The penny is this coin with Abraham Lincoln, and it's a brownish copper color. They're both round, but they have different amounts. A penny is worth 1 cent, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. Yeah, 5 cents. And which is the same as 5 pennies. If we count the pennies by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 cents. 5 cents is 5 cents. 5 cents from 5 pennies is the same as 5 cents from 1 nickel. When you count nickels, you're going to count by fives. So let's practice counting by fives to 100. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. Now we're going to count some nickels. When we count nickels, we're going to count by fives. Okay, so 1 nickel is worth 5 cents. So I'm going to put that underneath of the first nickel. 1 nickel, 5 cents. So how much money am I going to have if I have 2 nickels? We have to count by fives. So 5, 10. You're exactly right. Now I have 3 nickels. I'm going to have to count by 5 3 times. 5, 10, 15. Correct. And what about the last one? 5, 10, 15, and 20. 4 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 20 cents. So for your practice today, you are going to click on the pen and count the nickels by fives. You are going to write the amount of each nickel underneath, counting by fives. So 1 nickel is how much? 5 cents. How much is 2 nickels? 10 cents. You are correct. So you will write 5 cents and 10 cents. You won't write 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. Because we are counting them together. We're adding them together to find out the total amount in all. We want to know how much 2 pennies is worth in all. Then we want to know how much 8 pennies is worth in all. And then we want to know how much 14 pennies. You get to nickels. You are going to count 14 nickels. So by fives. Under each one, you're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15. Okay, and you're going to write that amount underneath each nickel. Then you're going to go to Extra Math, practice your Math Fact Fluency, iStation Math, and then you can watch one of the money songs. So what did you learn today? You learned that a nickel is 5 cents and that it's the same as 5 pennies. You learned that you count nickels by fives. And you practiced your counting by fives, your skip counting by fives. Then you counted a group of nickels by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20. And you became expert nickel counters today. So you have a great 4-day weekend. Oh my goodness, I'm going to miss you. Well, you be safe and you have a great 4-day weekend. And happy Valentine's Day. And we will see you on Tuesday. Bye now.